Hey guys, it's Ewan with the Air Zoo. This October is the Southwest Michigan Cultural Membership Exchange, which means if you're an Air Zoo member, you get free admission to some incredible local institutions, including right here at the Kalamazoo Nature Center. Now, while I'm here, I thought it would be nice to check out some of the original predators of the sky, because before we had airplanes and spacecraft and missiles and stuff like that, only one thing ruled the sky, and that was birds. So we've been given access to check out an amazing bird, Chester, the broad-winged hawk. So Cheyenne, please tell us a little bit about this beautiful bird you have on your hand.
Yeah, so this is Chester. He's a broad-winged hawk. He came to the Nature Center in June of 2020. So he's still a juvenile, he's a young hawk, he's not mature yet. You can actually tell a mature broad-winged hawk because they'll have a dark brown eye as opposed to like a palish yellow. And he is a deciduous hawk, so he hangs out mostly in the forests when they're in the wild, hunting on small prey like amphibians and small mammals.
What's the most deadly aspect of this hawk here?
I would say some very deadly aspects are the talons. You guys can see he's got very sharp curved talons. They use those to grab and scoop their prey as they're swooping through the air to catch them. And then I would say another really deadly adaptation is their curved, sharp beak. So they've got really sharp curved beaks. That's to help them rip up meat and puncture through bones. So I would say those two are the very deadly ones. Another great adaptation is their eyesight. So hawks can see 8 times more clearly than humans. So they can see images very far away. For example, a red-tailed hawk, which is slightly bigger, can see about 100 miles away clearly. So they're using that a lot to hunt as well. It's a great adaptation they have.
Now, these hawks are pretty difficult to spot because when we think of hawks, quite often we think of them circling the sky waiting for prey, but this type of hawk is slightly different.
Yeah, so normally the birds we're seeing in the sky are maybe like turkey vultures, red-tailed hawks. Those are the ones that are gonna use heat thermals to rise into the sky and just soar around, look on the ground for food. But broad-winged hawks are very different. They spend most of their times in forests, usually deciduous. They're usually just perched on a branch, looking around, waiting for food to come by. And they're spending most of their time in the forest, so we might not see them as often as a red-tailed hawk or a turkey vulture. I would say if you really want to see one, just go take a hike, try to be very quiet. They're usually hunting more so in the mornings or early afternoon. And yeah, if you can get into like a remote area and just look up, you might be able to spot one.
Wow, so incredible and real impressive. Thank you for sharing some information about this amazing bird. Thanks.
No problem.